Well, my name's Jac'y, and I've been in Australia now for 25 years. My husband and I are retired, and we're living in this house. The problem with the old door was it had a glass panel, and the door was very badly designed. When the rain hit the ribs, it ran down straight into the house. We inherited it when we bought the house. And then there was this tatty old screen door. The old door was, it's awful. I think I'd painted it 3 times. So what we wanted was a door that we could open, still be secure, but still let the air in. I was able to go along to Doors Plus showroom, and I was taken around by a lovely man. I had no idea there were so many doors. You know, I mean, it was a little bit mind-blowing, really. When I saw this door, it was absolutely perfect. The most appealing was the fact that you could have the door open but still be screened in and secure, and also that I could see people who were at the door, because being an older person, one is a little bit more cautious perhaps. And in this day and age, you don't know who's going to be knocking on your door. So that security point was very important. But the fact that I didn't have to have a separate door, because in Doors Plus there are many lovely doors, but all of them would have needed a screen door, which defeats the purpose of having a beautiful door, because you've got to have a screen door. So to have this door, which has got both of them, it was just perfect. The people were very, very good. Crack of dawn this morning they arrived, and I mean the crack of dawn. And they worked solidly all day and completely fitted the door, and it was a lot of work, but they were pleasant, nice people to deal with, and they enjoyed my donuts. And I just couldn't believe when they had finished. They swept up, cleaned up, vacuumed, everything was done. They're the best tradesmen I've had in this house. It was really very, very easy. They arrived, everything was done, and yeah, pain-free is probably the, what is it the advert says? Doors Plus no fuss. I can honestly vouch for that jingle.